Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a classic chicken karahi. Very similar to chicken jalfrezi. So what we're going to need is 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 sprinkles of coriander, 2 teaspoons of our desi style spice, which is mixed powder, 5 to 7 pieces of pre-cooked chicken, 2 tablespoons of our Jalfrezi onions, half a pint of base gravy. If you're unsure about how to cook any of the pre-cooked stuff, go down in my description box below and there'll be a link to each thing. So say for example, base gravy, pre-cooked chicken, just click the link, it'll take you to the video straight there. Please feel free to comment, subscribe, like. A lot of people have been asking me a lot of questions and I've got back to everybody. I hope I've made a difference to their cooking. I've been giving a lot of tips to a lot of people. So yeah, let's get cooking. Chicken karahi. You've got a couple of teaspoons of oil. Just let that cook in for about 45 seconds so it heats up nicely. So when you do put your garlic and ginger, it just melts in. And you've got your garlic and ginger in here, just sizzling nicely. You can really smell the garlic and ginger, such a strong taste. Couple of teaspoons of tomato paste, tomato puree, sorry. Then you've got your Jalfrezi style onions, just basically thickly cut red peppers, green peppers and onions. You can put them raw, it just takes longer to do it like this. You just have to cook it a little bit longer. We cook it a bit so we're faster on service, but at home you've got time, so you can really, you can make them raw. We just spice it up a little bit. Then you have 2 teaspoons of our desi style mixed powder. Then you have your pre-cooked chicken, which is in a thin sauce. And then you want to put it on low gas. Let the spice infuse into the chicken. So once it's kind of infused a little bit, the spices in, put half a pound of base gravy, and now you can put the heat up and let that really cook in, let that bubble up really nice. So you just want to garnish it with some coriander, let it heat up, let it bubble. Okay, so mine is really hot, it's bubbled up nice. I've just turned the gas down to keep it sort of, it's warm, the sauce is thick, the chicken is soft, so it's all done. Just keep it on low gas. So then we've got our karahi now. Just gonna heat that up. So you can buy these in any sort of like Asian store they do it. Just ask for an iron karahi pot. And you'll get a wooden mount with it. And then what that will do, it will sizzle out, it will just give you a nice presentation. Be very careful, it gets very hot. You put it down on here. And you just get your curry. A sprinkle of coriander. And there you have it. Lovely sizzling chicken karahi.